What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it's Sunday morning, 18th of July, and that means one thing, that's the Autobrite Big Summer Meet. So hope some of you guys are going to make it across to the show, and I might catch you there. If you do recognise me or you want to say hi, just come across, give me a shout. But as you can see, what a day. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's already scorching hot. So jeans and boots aren't probably the best attire, but safety first. Oh, just look at her. She is spotless. Hopefully clean enough to win this bloody show and shine. There was some fighting talk from Dale. He has a beautiful Royal Enfield Interceptor in chrome, and he reckons he's going to take it. Unfortunately for him, he works for Autobrite, so he can't actually enter. But I know that bike's absolutely beautiful. So Dale, unfortunately mate, you can't enter. But if you want to pull some strings and let the old girl win. Right then, I'm going to get packed up. I'm going to stick the hoodie on today just because of how hot it is. And I'll catch you guys at the show. Well guys, we're here. Autobrite's Big Summer Meet. God, it is a baker. The bike's parked over there. As you can see, filling up nicely. It kicks off at 10. So we'll see what's happening a little bit later. Yeah, so far so good. Only 3 bikes. I mean, I know they're a car detailing place, but come on lads, where are the bikes at? I'm dubious taking you across there really, because I'm parked smack bang between Dale's Interceptor, which like I said is absolutely gorgeous, and a MV Augusta Brutale. I'm a little bit outclassed I feel, but you never know. So what we'll do is we'll do a bit of a tour a bit later on, and I'm going to spend some money in the Autobrite shop. Catch you in a bit. Filling up nicely. As you see, some absolutely beautiful cars. Get yourself in there, buy some bargains. I'll be in there in a bit. Definitely to have a look around. Yeah, loving it so far. And just look at the weather. Turn this off quickly just so we don't get copyrighted, but yeah, looking good. you want to see my new garage? Nah. This is Autobrite's ceramic bay facility where they do the Back to Basics course. I am really interested in doing this Back to Basics course, mainly because they're going to teach you exactly how to do the best protection for your paintwork. Now, yeah, okay, this is motorbike channel, but all these skills for cars is interchangeable. So why can't we learn it? That's how I began. You know, I'm not going to lie, before I was into bikes I was massively into cars. That's where my love of cleaning came from. So they've definitely got the best setup. Puts my little workshop to shame, really, doesn't it? Stunning. Let's go look at some more cars, eh? Someone's got the drone up there. Incredible day, and it's only 10:30. Mint.
So when you say I've got one of these basic, I want to say to the bloke, I want stage 2, mate. What's you going to do? What happens then?
Turbo went.
Oh dear. Oh, you have all the parts? Yeah. Alright. Okay, and it's all like that. Come have a look inside. Let's have a little peek. Little peek in the box. There, that'll be technical terms. Come and look at the block. It's not very clean, ladies and gentlemen. If we have a little look inside at the block. Right, let's have a little look. Oh yeah, okay, so what have you changed on there?
Like I said, I used to start off as a car guy. Never really been into trucks, but take a look at this. Is she not one of the most beautiful things you've ever seen? You know, other than the XV and the Kawasaki, obviously. But look at the paint. Black. And not a swirl or mark on it. That's difficult to achieve, you know. From a detailing perspective, this guy's absolutely nailed it. Let's take a look at it from the front. Whoever you are who owns this car, also truck, nailed it, mate. Absolutely nailed it. Spot on. Spot on. Another one. Absolutely. Another one of my favourites, really. We all know Kawasaki, Yamaha. We love a bit of Japan. But what about a little key car? It's on air ride and it's literally freaking out right now. Beautiful. Right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, Autobrite wouldn't be Autobrite if they didn't sell products. Now, I've already been in and spent a small fortune. There's a reason I missed that off. One, because the wife does watch this channel and I really don't want her to see how much I've spent. But let's go give you a bit of a walk around. So let's put the old mask on. As you can see, we love a little bit of Yoda. And let's go have a look around. What's up, guys? Well, we're back at home. Fresh t-shirt, because the other one, it's sodden. It's sodden and sweat. You know, I know that's disgusting, but it just is. There she is. There's the beautiful new steed in all her glory. And I know you're all waiting for it, but we didn't win the show and shine. And do you know what? I didn't really expect to. 2 reasons. One, you know, we're there with a car show basically, so we're car fans just aren't fans of bikes, I suppose. And there was some, you know, you'll see from the footage, you know, there's some beautiful cars there. So to lose to some of those is, you know, okay. However, we did get an honourable mention, and we did win some Team Hard quick finish detailer. So Team Hard is the BTC race team that Autobrite sponsor, and they've got their own little line out alongside Autobrite. So, you know, as you can see, a little bit sunburnt. It's been a fantastic day. Hope you guys enjoyed something a little bit different than, you know, being in the garage or, you know, just all about the bikes. Catch you again soon.